Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So there are several clear signs about a divine masculine. So first one is, so divine masculine will never think of physical intimacy without marriage. There are several reasons behind it because, as I've already said, divine masculine is actually highly spiritual, highly ascended person. So he very well understand the consequences of physical intimacy. So this is a big difference which you will always find in divine masculine. Will never even want to get physical without a marriage. So even though the person wants, if I talk about a feminine, so it will never happen because a person who is highly ascended and understand the consequences of especially the negative effects of intimacy without marriage. Another reason is that divine masculine respects a lot to females, to feminine, so they understand why it is needed and why it should not be done. So it is there a personal strong boundary which cannot be crossed even a feminine want. So as divine masculine is highly ascended and highly spiritual, so he understand very well the energetic protection because of these energies. So this is a clear indication, a clear sign that never expect a physical intimacy from divine masculine without being in a married connection. So you must have seen other masculines, who just want to get physical, even when they are in a relationship or after marriage when they try to get into extramarital, relationship. It is not a trait of divine masculine because it is, if you do that, people who does it, you will find there are so many masculines and feminine both who likes to be in multiple relationships or cheat other people even after marriage. So divine masculine will never do that because they understand this thing, and the way it starts damaging a person, especially on an energetic level. So that is the reason divine masculine will never think of getting physical without marriage. Another sign is that divine masculine is actually a one woman man, and so you will find in other people when they are married, especially I'm talking about masculines. So if other feminine is trying to give some sort of sign or wants to be with that person who is married, so in that case divine masculine will never let that a boundary to be crossed by any other feminine. He is a committed person and will remain loyal for their partner. Divine masculine is always protective of their partner, which is divine feminine. So if there is any kind of situation, wherein society and relative or other, maybe friends or family people are against that connection or, do not want to support divine feminine in any other scenario, then in that case, you will always find that divine masculine will always take a stand for divine feminine, will never leave her alone. Divine masculine can always take a stand for divine feminine and will always go against society, relatives, and family and friends if it is about supporting or protecting a divine feminine. There is no kind of toxic habit exist in divine masculine, as he is highly spiritually ascended person and understand the effects of a bad habit, toxic habits. So you will never find other toxic habits or any kind of toxic habits which you see in other men's, like maybe alcohol, drugs, or maybe cheating, or these kind of things will never be there in divine masculine. He keeps himself neat and clean when it comes about his his thought process, his belief systems, and his habits. So divine masculine has immense faith, strong faith in divine, no matter, even though he's going through a toughest situations in his life because of any circumstances, any reasons. Because when you are born as a human, you will have to experience some sort of, or maybe lot of toughest experiences because of other person. And if I talk about my circumstances, my condition, then my divine masculine was only going through challenges and toughest situations because of soul mission. So never expect that if you are a divine feminine or a divine masculine will not experience toughest experience on earth. It is, but it is not that you have done any sort of bad karma. It is you are being taught and prepared. It is sort of training done through divine, wherein you are getting ready to serve your soul mission. And there are certain things which you do not want to do, but divine will teach you that you have to get ready to be in a certain position or learn some sort of skills to deal with negative humans on earth, which you will interact while serving a soul mission. So divine masculine has immense strong faith in divine, no matter what sort of circumstances he is going through. As divine masculine is highly spiritual, that's why he always stays connected to his intuition and his higher self, along with other spirit communication, and that is the reason divine masculine can never be tricked or manipulated by other people. So divine masculine is well aware about his spiritual gifts and spiritual powers, and he can always see through people. He's always loyal towards his family, his other relationships, and the moment he finds out if somebody is not having good intentions or being selfish with him, then he's quick to cut off also, because he understands his boundaries. So you will also get to see that he will not tolerate any kind of BS from other people on the name of relationship or maybe society. Divine masculine is always eating and drinking high vibrational foods only, because he understands what sort of effects on a physical body and a mental body food can create. Divine masculine is always a powerful personality. You will find him having a lot of 3D powers, and he is at the same time, he's also a very grounded person. Not everybody can handle success and name and fame, and you will always find people misusing their powers, but it's divine masculine who has a lot of 3D powers but will never misuse it, and always grounded person. But as he's such a powerful person, if somebody dares to disrespect, he will not mind teaching a lesson to that person then and there itself. So there are people who have misunderstood, like, if you are powerful, you should always remain, grounded and polite with those also who disrespect you. So you will not find this quality in divine masculine. He's very quick to teach people a lesson when somebody disrespects. Otherwise, he's such a polite person, kind person. Divine masculine do not have any kind of ego, but then do have self-respect, and such kind of person will always have toughest boundaries which cannot be crossed by anyone. So if anyone dares to cross their boundary, they will be taught a lesson then and there itself. Divine masculine is a wealthy person when it comes about having material wealth, but he is not a materialistic person. So there is a difference in being materialistic. So one difference, see, everybody has their own definition. What I have seen a lot of people who has a bit of maybe money. They like to show off to others, to their friends, neighbors or relatives, just to put them down that they have it and the other person do not have it, and also wants to tease others that they do not have what they have. So this trait you will never find in divine masculine. Yes, he is wealthy, but he is not a materialistic person. He doesn't misuse money. Divine masculine is never influenced by money, name, fame, status or society. And when it comes about physical beauty, you will find a lot of people, especially men, are so attracted towards a beautiful face, but then for divine masculine it is a beautiful soul, beautiful heart. So physical beauty, it doesn't matter for divine masculine. Divine masculine is never concerned of other people, what they think and what they are talking about him. He's not at all concerned about it. As divine masculine is a king personality, and he's well connected to his divine masculine side, divine masculine energy, but he is not closed off. So people who are closed off, their inner child will always be dead, always be inactive. But if I talk about divine masculine, he's never closed off, and his inner child is always active. That is the reason he's able to do his self healing. But he also understands one thing, as he has gone through a lot of bad experiences because of other people or because of any situation. So he understands very well that this inner child, this childlike behavior cannot be shared with everybody. So people who are close to him, close to his heart, and they can only experience that childlike behavior from him, not everybody. So divine masculine is always honest, loyal, kind, and supportive of other people also. But then because of this one particular nature, being supportive of others who cannot take a stand for them, he keep on getting into trouble. So this is one particular lesson for divine masculine, which is being taught to him by the divine through circumstances. So you will always find divine masculine, helping strangers without even knowing them, and he can provide any kind of support. And this is one particular lesson that divine will teach him in a toughest way if he's not ready to learn. Because many times, be it a divine feminine or a divine masculine, you will find similar kind of lessons and experiences, that you have a helping nature, you are helping people, but they are not grateful for that, and they are also taking your help for granted. So this is one of the toughest lesson for divine masculine, which divine teaches him in a toughest way, I can say. Divine masculine loves to be surrounded by animals, natures and water bodies. Divine masculine always loves spending time alone, or maybe with closed ones only, and he doesn't like to be in a crowded place, because it becomes reason for energy draining. So yeah, there are certain scenarios, certain situations, because of maybe his because of his work, he will have to be with people, but then most of the time he likes to stay alone. Divine masculine is never dependent or codependent on others for anything, be it their any area of their life, like mental, emotional, physical, financial, or spiritual. Divine masculine is always a straightforward person, wherein he is being asked to learn a lesson to be like other people who uses sarcasm or diplomacy. So as he's a purest kindest being, and do not like to be use manipulation, wherein he can be a master manipulator, but he will never do that. So when it comes about especially a relationship, he is always straightforward. He will not or try to confuse anybody, or will not he's somebody who will give you a straightforward answer. If he wants to be with you, he will let you know that, and if he doesn't want to be with you, he will tell you that he doesn't want to be with you. Divine masculine never chases anything or anyone. Like you will see people, especially in karmic twin flame cases, you will see that one person is always chasing. So divine masculine do not chase anyone, and also would not like to be chased by others. So let's take an example. If divine feminine meets divine masculine, and divine masculine proposes divine feminine, and if she says no or rejects him, then divine masculine will not chase her, because he understands and respects his boundary and also the boundary of other person. So never expect any kind of chasing from divine masculine. Divine masculine has high self-respect and very strong boundaries. Divine masculine do not have any kind of jealousy from anyone or for anything. That is the reason he's always happy and supportive of others' success, be it in any area of their lives, especially if I talk about their career success. So he's always supportive of their own people and other people who are actually growing. Divine masculine always likes to have a disciplined life. That is the reason he's being called a divine masculine, and this energy belongs to divine masculine, that having a discipline in every area of their life. Divine masculine always respects females of all ages and all groups, and always protective of them. You will never find him disrespecting a woman in any scenario, in any circumstances. So these were a few signs about divine masculine. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.